Okay, here's a quick tour of the 2010 North Trail by Heartland, model number 31BDSS. We'll step inside. I'll close the door behind me. It's a little windy today. Okay, so right when we walk inside, immediately go into the master bedroom area. It actually has two doors, one on both sides. So as you walk through, it's got some storage on both sides of the bed, some overhead storage, and then this also lifts up for some tucked away storage. It's ready for whatever mattress you would like to put in it. Both of these doors do shut. Go. Sorry, the trailer's a little bit of an angle right now. So that's how it looks with both doors shut. And with the doors shut, this TV, you pull this pin here, you actually rotate it, go to the other side. And then you could set the pin back through again. So now we're in the little master bedroom area with the TV, and then has its own ceiling vent as well. So you can watch the TV from the master bedroom area. We'll walk back through. Set the TV back where it goes. I'll secure that better later. Okay, so that's the master bedroom area. We'll shoot to this side. So this is the slide here. This whole living area slides out. So we have our dining area, which offers storage underneath both seats. This table goes down flat to create a bed there. Plenty of cabinet storage overhead. This area is where you typically have a couch. This area is open to do whatever it is you wish. You could bring in a brand new couch and a brand new mattress, and then you know it's nice and clean. Or some people would use this as a children's play area, somewhere for the pets. Maybe a little office desk. So we'll turn around this way. Excuse this drawer. It's back in a cabinet. I'll show it here shortly. So here's the kitchen area. We've got the kitchen countertop, sink, cooktop, LP gas, and then the convection microwave with the overhead hood as well as some overhead storage. We have the freezer up top. Refrigerator down below, since we're looking at those. This is a laser thermometer. So let's see, the ambient temperature of the floor is about 73. We go into here. We're nice and cool in the refrigerator. The freezer, nice and cold. So refrigerator does work only off of LP gas, does not work off electricity. Not too sure what's going on there. Has never been an issue for me. It uses very, very little amount of propane, so left that there. Show the cooktop real quick. So electronic start on the cooktop. There we go. All three burners work as they should. Since I've got the thermometer out, turn on some water, let it spray out. Running a little low on water. I just put enough in there to function check everything. We'll check the hot water real quick. Wait for it to get warm. There we go. So there we go. That's the hot water. Same thing with the hot water. Hot water only works off of propane, does not work off of electricity. Not too sure what's going on there either. Some people say it may be a heating element. It was never a big enough issue for me to look into. Like I said, it only uses very minimal amount of propane. Also, using the water heater off of propane gets it a lot hotter, a lot faster. Microwave. So let's see, we'll just do 4 seconds real quick. Microwave. Oh, 4 seconds, start. There we go. It works just like any other microwave. There we go. Okay, we'll move our way back over here. So this is for the furnace and air conditioner. So you can turn it on. Right now it's set to cool. We'll drop that temperature down. There we go. So wireless, obviously. Kind of point it towards this module up here. Turn it off just so it's not so loud. This also goes for the furnace. So you'll just turn it on and then hit mode until you get to furnace and then select your desired temperature. So furnace works, of course, off LP gas. Air conditioner works off electricity, works as it should. We'll work our way towards the back over here. Here's the fuse box. Fuses, little breaker panel, things like that. Little pantry area. Oh, there's the drawer that I was talking about earlier. That's where it's at. I just need to reinstall it, nothing major. This door does open and close. So another little slider. This is just here to keep it secure. Oh. Sorry, let me ignore this phone call. Alrighty. So we'll work our way to the back. So we'll shoot to the left right away. Got your bottom bunk and your top bunk. These little latches here go into those little holes. So you can actually fold the bed up, get it tucked out of the way, if you so please. Same thing on this side. Top bunk folds up and out of the way. This one just has a small foam pad, not necessarily a mattress. There is a mattress on bottom on this side and on top on this side. So this one folds up out of the way. Then you have a secondary dining area, preferably for little kids, or you can fold it up and fit a couple adults here. Same as the other dining table. This one does offer some storage underneath, as well as the table drops down and then could create another little bed. And then, you know, small little dresser, cabinet, a couple drawers. That's it for the back bunkhouse area. And of course, you know, the air conditioning vents do go throughout the whole trailer, as well as the vents for the furnace. I'll step into the bathroom real quick. So we've got your little toilet, small little vanity area, multiple mirrors, shower, bathtub. Excuse the standing water in there. Like I said, the trailer's at a little bit of angle, but all the plumbing works as it should. You know, toilet flushes with the foot pedal. And then in here, you know, it shows that the water heater's on, the pump's on, and that's how you can test for your fresh water, your holding water, your gray water, and as well as your battery. So that is it. May have missed it. Ceiling vent in the rear bunkhouse area. Ceiling vent in the bathroom area. So if we do a quick little count, let's say we have kids back here. You could have 1, 2, 3, 4 kids. One more larger kid here. If you do decide to put a couch bed, you could fit 2 adults here. So that gets you 4 kids, 5 kids, 2 adults here, or big kids, and then 2 adults in the master bedroom area. The TV does work. Grab the remote for that. So we'll turn that on real quick. While we're waiting for that to turn on, the stereo works as well. It offers both indoor and outdoor speakers. The CD player is inoperable. The door doesn't stay shut, but AM/FM works just fine. And it looks like you could also put an aux cord. So let's see what the TV's doing, see if it woke up yet. There we go. Oh, what did I do? Well, the TV works. I'm not super well versed on it, but there you go. It works. So that's a quick little walkthrough. Everything on the interior works as it should. Like I said, key takeaways are 4 kids in the back, 1 kid there. If you decide to put in a couch bed, 2 persons there, and then 2 persons in the master bedroom. That is it.